please subscribe this channel for mechanical design related, course related, job related videos. So go to our topic here. So today we are just going to make this assembly drawing, and in this video we are just going to learn how to make these four parts, this that is the nut portion, that is the spring portion, that is the base portion, and that is the top rod portion. Okay, so let's subscribe our channel and watch till end. Shock absorber tutorial. This is the third part. Here we are learn how to make the spring and the nut portion. So at first you have to just select the front plane, sketch, then go for the line option and make one line, give its length 99.9. okay, when you have just give this, just exits from sketch, again go for the front plane and make one circle here. Okay, this will be the circle. Just give its diameter will be 7.25. when you have just give this diameter, just go for the smart dimension, select these and these. Okay, and this length will be 0, and this length between this and this will be 15. When you have just give that, go for exit from sketch, go over the suite boss base, select this line and this line, go for the options, go for the twist value, then go for the revolutions and give its revolution 6. when you have just give these 6 revolution that you have just made it, then just make it tick here. You can see that one spring has been done here. Okay, I have just make now two things, that is just go for the top plane. I have seen that this is the top plane, right? Okay, I have to just go for the reference plane, select first is the top plane and select this, and when you have select this edge, not this edge, is delete it. This face I have to just make it some just delete this face and just make this distance little. Just I am just making this distance 5 and I have to just increase it to 6 millimeter. Okay, then click here. When you have just click it, select this plane, just sketch, make it perpendicular, okay. When you have just make perpendicular, make one circle just greater than this. Okay, just make it this, then you have just make the features, go for the execute cut features and select this and make it upside, click here. Okay, you have just seen I have just made that. Okay, just hide this plane, just go again this portion, go for the reference plane, select this top plane and make it reverse, flip offset, increase its dimension and just I have just decrease some of these. Okay, no, I have to just make it 3 I think, and then that is 3, that is 4 is good. When you have just make it, go for this plane, go for another circle, select this make a circle larger than this, then go for the features, make it extrude cut and make it inside. Okay, just click it. You have just see that I have just made again this portion. Now I have this part is I'm just give its appearance, it's as plastic appearance, that is low gloss plastic. The I'm just giving its appearance as low gloss plastic, and the face color will be I just give it light red, not that much red. That will be light red. Just click it. You can see I have give this spring a rubber type appearance, and this is the part where we have to learn to make spring. So stay tuned for that other part, that I am just going to the last part, that is nut. Hello, this is the last part that I am going to make the nut. And here at first select this plain white portion, then go for the unit portion. Please subscribe my channel, like my channel, join my Instagram account and WhatsApp and LinkedIn, and that is Telegram account in the description below, that the link in the description below. Now we have to just going to make, I'm just going to make the nut portion. So to make the nut, at first you have to go for the top plane, make here one sketch, and the first portion is the circle, and give its diameter is equal to the 52. When you have just made it 52 millimeter diameter, then go for the execute boss base command, and the length will be 9 millimeter. Okay, when you just made it 9 millimeter, then go for again this sketch on this plane, and you have just give one circle here. The circle will be 24 millimeter. The circle will be 24 millimeter. Okay, now make the 24 millimeter in diameter, go for the features, then make the execute cut command and make it inside. Okay, when you have just make it inside, then go for again in this plane, then go for another circle, make it one circle here. The dimension of this circle will be around 29 millimeter. When you have just give this 29 millimeter, then go for the convert entities, select this and make it converted, then go for the features, go to the execute boss base, and the length will be 1 millimeter. Okay, you have just made it here, then you have just go for the another side. You have just go for the another side, select this plane and make it perpendicular. When you have just go for the make it perpendicular, just you have go for the center line, and this will be one line here. You have to just make one circle here. Okay, that circle is here, you have to make one circle here. Then you have to go for the line, click here, and here, then click it exit. Now we have to give the dimension. The angle between these and these will be 30 millimeter. Okay, then go for the convert entities, select this convert entities. Okay, then go for the mirror option. What is the mirror? This mirror, select this and mirror it from here. Okay, when you have just making this mirror, then you have just go for the trim option, just trim these parts. Okay, just trim these parts also. Okay, trim all these parts and then go for tick here. When you have just go for tick here, then you have to go for the circular pattern. Click in the circular pattern, convert entities, that is these entities and this. Okay, and these entities, the number of the entities will be 12. Make it 12, and if you just decrease this 10, that is okay. Just click here. When you have just click here, then exit sketch and go for extrude cut. Select these entities here, select these all entities and make it blind and increase this and make it mid plane also. You can see that one nut shape structure has been made here. Now I'm just going to make thread here. How can I make that thread? I have made that thread with the help of top dot. Then you have just to go for the insert command, go for the part and just go for the part and find where you have saved that this top rod portion. Okay, and just it takes some time. When you have just find this top rod portion, okay, click here the locate part with move and copy and click here. When you have just click here, you can see that this portion, then I'm going to make one relation, that this face and this face, and the distance I have to just make here. You have to just make distance, please wait. Okay, and the distance you have just made and just increase this distance. It takes some time for your computer, so please wait. When you have just make it inside, please again pause and watch how to make this. I'm just going for the insert command, then go for the part command, select this and that is come. When it is come, then I am just give its relation between this and this, and I'm just make increase this distance so that this not go inside of this thread portion. Then when I have just you have done that, then go for tick here. When you have just going for the tick here, then you have to just click here combine. Please wait, I'm just making it undo. Okay, in this portion I select this and this. Okay, where is the relation? Wait, I have just again show you how to insert. Go for the insert command, then go for the part, then click here. Please wait. When it has come, click here, locate, and then click here. When it is come, then select this face and this face. I just then go for the relation, then increased its relation, then increase its relation. When you see that the nut go inside, then you can see that the nut have gone inside. Then you have just go for the here one portion that has been done. Please wait. When you have just tick here, then click it here. When it has come here, then go for the insert features and go for the combine tool. When you have to go combine, make it subtract. The main body is to subtract. The main body is this and the body is to subtract, that is this. Okay, then you have to just click here. When have you click here, you can see that that is the thread that is made inside here with the help of with the help of that top dot. Okay, this is going to be the nut here, and you have just give some of the appearance it, and this is the all the four parts we have done. In the next video we have just make the assembly drawing of this. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe our channel, share channel, join with our social media